Welcome back. I had to take a little break there because I had gone up to the 15-minute mark. So I'm back now, and we're going to talk. I just finished up telling you about the Sunday night game, and now talk to you about tomorrow's Monday night football game. The Dallas Cowboys will take on the Tennessee Titans at AT&T Stadium in Dallas, Texas, in Big D. The Titans. I'm trying to see here. Trying to see. Hold on a minute. The Titans are both the Titans and the Cowboys are both coming off a bye week. They were both on bye weeks last week, so they're coming off bye weeks. And I thought this is going to be a great game between them. I thought Dallas has the edge by far in this game with it being on their turf. And we have one game from Thursday night, the Thursday night football game. I'll recap that one for you. The San Francisco 49ers beat the Oakland Raiders, walloped them 34-3. San Francisco went to 2-7, and the Raiders went to 1-7. They fell to 1-7, and I felt that was a great game between. It was just a blowout, and this wasn't the Raiders' night. They just couldn't get it done. So, but those are the games for this week, and it's now time for my picks of the week. Well, I've already won one, the San Francisco 49ers and the Oakland Raiders. So has my brother-in-law, Eric Hoyle. And so, so now I'm going to tell you the rest of them. I feel Minnesota and Detroit, Minnesota has the edge over Detroit in that one. I think they're going to take that one. I feel Kansas City has the edge over the Browns, but you never know. We'll see. But I pick Kansas City to win. I feel Baltimore is going to steal one on the road in Pittsburgh, or Baltimore has the edge because it's in Baltimore. They're playing in Baltimore. And I feel Baltimore has the edge in that one, so I pick them to win. I feel Carolina has the edge over Tampa Bay because they're playing in Carolina. I feel Miami, with them playing at home, they have the edge over the Jets. I'm going with Miami over the Jets. And I feel Washington has the edge over Atlanta because they're playing in Washington, so I picked Washington to win. And I feel that Chicago has the edge over the Buffalo Bills, so they're going to steal one on the road in Buffalo, so I've picked them to win. And I feel that the Seattle Seahawks, or the Denver Broncos, I skipped one. The Denver Broncos are going to have the edge over the Houston Texans. I picked them to win. I feel they're going to take that one. The Seattle Seahawks, I feel, have the edge over the LA Chargers. I'm going to take Seattle to win that one. And for Sunday Night Football, I feel the New England Patriots are going to win that one by far. I picked them to win. Can't go against the home team on a Sunday night. And I feel by far that Dallas for the Monday night game has the edge over Tennessee. Those are my picks of the week, and I'll keep you posted. I'm going to have to get my brother-in-law's off the computer here, so I'll let you know who he has taken when I go over the early game finals. Now getting back to the game, I feel the Browns are right now, I feel it's probably a different score now, but they still have a chance, but I feel Kansas City is really going to have the Browns number by far in this game today, but Browns will have a chance, so we'll see. And I just feel it's pretty much a good game right now between the Browns and actually it's 28-15 right now. I don't know if it's going to be more if the Browns have scored, but we'll see. So we shall see what happens. Well, that's just about going to wrap it up for the Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday pregame third quarter show. I'll be back with the early games, post-game show, and a few of the late games once the Browns and Chiefs have concluded and all the early games have concluded. But until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.